Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at a vacuum that's perfect for tackling projects all around the house, workshop, and even in your car. It's the Shop-Vac Wet-Dry Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a compact powerhouse designed to handle both wet and dry messes. Let's break down what it has to offer and see if it lives up to the hype. This 1-gallon cordless vacuum is more than just a tool for quick cleanups. It's built with an 8.0 kPa suction power, which is great for picking up both dry debris like dust and wood chips, and wet messes like spills or even damp sewage. It's an ideal choice for homeowners, hobbyists, or anyone needing a compact, high-performance vacuum for various tasks. Now let's talk about how it performs in the real world. Whether you're cleaning up dust in the garage, vacuuming out your car, or dealing with a spilled drink, this vacuum's 2-in-1 capability ensures you can easily switch between dry and wet cleaning. Its 8.0 kPa suction power is decent for a vacuum of this size. While it may not compete with larger, full-sized models for deep cleaning on heavy carpets, it definitely excels on hard floors, in workshops, and for quick cleanups around the house. The cordless design is where this vacuum really stands out. If you've ever been frustrated by tangled cords or limited reach, this vacuum offers a liberating experience. It's lightweight, making it easy to maneuver, and you can take it wherever you need without worrying about an outlet. Whether you're cleaning the car, the basement, or under the furniture, you won't be tied down. One of the best things about this vacuum is its portability. Weighing just a few pounds, it's easy to carry around, and with its top handle and compact build, it's perfect for tackling smaller messes in tight spaces. Additionally, it comes with a wall mount bracket, making storage effortless. Simply hang it up to keep things neat and out of the way. It's not just about portability, though. The vacuum is also built to last, with sturdy components that handle most of the work without feeling flimsy. As for noise, it's quieter than most full-size Shop-Vacs. While it's not completely silent, it's definitely more manageable than some of the heavy-duty models out there. You can still have a conversation or listen to music while vacuuming, which is a huge plus if you need to use it for extended periods. The Shop-Vac Wet-Dry Cordless Vacuum comes with several attachments to maximize its versatility. The 4-foot hose gives you plenty of reach, and the gulper nozzle is ideal for picking up larger debris like wood chips or screws. The crevice tool and round brush are perfect for getting into corners or cleaning delicate surfaces like upholstery or the interior of your car. If you're dealing with wet messes, the foam sleeve helps prevent clogs. It's these accessories that make this vacuum a well-rounded tool for different tasks, especially for people who need a vacuum that can do it all. But like anything, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The 1-gallon bin means you'll need to empty it more often, especially if you're cleaning large areas or dealing with wet messes. And while the suction power is adequate for most jobs, if you're looking to deep clean thick carpet or large areas of flooring, you may want to consider something with more power. This vacuum excels at quick cleanups, but for more intense cleaning, it might leave you wishing for a bit more suction. The battery life is decent, but won't last forever on high power mode. If you plan on tackling bigger projects, you may find that you need to recharge sooner than you'd like. However, if you're using it for quick jobs around the house or in the car, the runtime should be sufficient. Now, let's talk about value for money. At its price point, the Shop-Vac Wet-Dry Cordless Vacuum provides great value for what it offers. It combines the convenience of cordless operation with the versatility of a wet-dry vacuum and includes a full set of useful attachments. While it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty carpet cleaning, it's a fantastic option for homeowners who need a quick, efficient vacuum for hard floors, workshops, or cars. For a compact, portable wet-dry vacuum, it competes well with similar models, offering a balanced mix of performance and portability. If you're considering other vacuums in this range, there are a couple of direct competitors that offer for similar features. The Black Decker Cordless Wet-Dry Vac, for instance, also delivers cordless convenience and wet-dry capabilities. However, the Shop-Vac offers a slightly higher suction power, making it a better option for picking up larger debris. On the other hand, if you're specifically looking for longer battery life, you may want to consider a model that's slightly larger and more powerful, as the battery life on this one can drop in high suction mode. In terms of build quality, the Shop-Vac feels solid. The plastic components aren't flimsy and the attachments snap in securely. Over time, the durability will really come down to how you use it, but with regular care, this vacuum should last for a good while. Cleaning the filters and maintaining the brush roll is easy enough, though the small dust bin might require frequent emptying during heavier use. With its compact design, powerful suction for its size, and versatility, the Shop-Vac wet-dry cordless vacuum is a great tool for quick cleanups and light-duty tasks. It's ideal for those who need something portable, easy to store, and ready to handle both wet and dry messes. If you're in the market for a vacuum that can handle the occasional spill, dust bunnies, or car interior cleaning, this model is definitely worth considering. However, if you need something for large-scale, deep carpet cleaning, you might want to look elsewhere. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. If you're thinking about grabbing this vacuum, check out the link in the comments box below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences if you've already used it, so feel free to leave a comment with any questions or feedback. Until next time, keep your spaces clean and tidy. After all, a clean home is a happy home.